Hello and welcome to F&S Yamaha in Hanover, PA, Northeast USA's premier express dealer. We have a 2020 H20 Bay in Bahama blue with the appearance package, two-tone paint. Xpress's all aluminum custom trailer with aluminum rims. Yamaha 115 SHO with hydraulic steering. Includes Bahama blue SeaDek flooring, which is included with the appearance package. Has the Bay stainless package, which includes stainless steering wheel, stainless rod holders, stainless leaning post, and grab rail. All the Xpresses are rigged with Yamaha outboards, and we also have all other size Yamaha outboards in stock to put on any Yamaha that would suit your needs the best. SeaDek flooring in Bahama blue is beautiful. Aluminum spare tire and mount. Riptide Minn Kota Maximum bow mount, 70-pound 24-volt trolling motor up front. Underneath each jump seat is a cooler with a drain. Xpress does an excellent job with anything quality, including that very nice stainless steel door to access the trolling motor batteries. 6-gauge wiring from the factory. Lots of storage. And lockable storage. All the Xpresses have the spray-in liner, and they spray in liner including inside the storage containers and under the deck lids. And then in here is carpeted. Aerated live well. More lockable storage with a removable tub for a ton of storage. Hard to see in the video, but that is a huge area to store things. Xpress H20 Bay Hyperlift Bay. And like all their Hyperlift hulls, this is a pad hull design which rides and performs very similar to a lot of the fiberglass boats that are out there in the market. Thanks for watching.